Well, let's think this through. It's most unfortunate that some people use the stock market as an avenue to speculate on short term movements in price. And it's tragic that the financial media, in many ways, exacerbate that speculative mentality in their attempt to capture the short term attention span of the viewers. But the stock market really represents ownership of businesses. These businesses are generally rational, profit seeking, run by experienced and highly compensated people for the benefit of their owners. And when you buy shares of a company stock, you become one of the owners of that business. And then, simply stated, the primary task of these profit-seeking businesses is to enhance shareholder value over time. Now, collectively, these businesses respond rationally to price signals from 7 billion people around the globe who wake up every day making economic and financial decisions in their own best interest, and the employees make those same decisions in the best interest of their employers. It's the ownership of stock in these businesses that fully captures the human ingenuity of all those who work in these businesses, which is actually expressed in the value enhancing innovations and the efficiencies behind these businesses. And we can be the partial owners of many great businesses without having to clock in at a single one of them. It's the ownership of stock in these businesses that allows ordinary people like you and me to generate real wealth, net of the detrimental effect of inflation, almost effortlessly. Think about it. If you want common sense, follow me.